Deep within the California coastal ranges along the Trinity River sits the Hoopa Valley, home to the Hoopa Valley Tribe for thousands of years, an area rich in tribal history where community is a key part of life. Towards the end of summer, the Hoopa Valley Tribe gathers for their annual Sovereign Day celebrations. These celebrations highlight the tribe's inherent right to self-governance, based on their own traditions and laws, free from outside interference. And in 2025, the tribe celebrated yet another milestone towards self-determination.
We had our Sovereign Days this week, and we were able to give out flyers and let them know we're starting to do milestone.
The Hoopa Valley Tribe and Public Utilities District broke ground on more than 22 miles of the Middle-Mile Broadband Network along Highway 96 from Witchpeck through Hoopa Valley Tribal lands and ending in Willow Creek.
We've built, 2 miles of the middle mile so far. We're a month in with construction, but the progress is happening.
Smooth sailing so far for the area we're in. I mean, we're moving along at the pace we planned per drill. Have been covered, not too many rocky conditions, so really well so far.
Our tribal people have been in these lands since time immemorial, and we follow a great line of tribal leaders and tribal members who have always fought and did everything they could for the best, for the well-being of these lands and for the people that occupy them.
Together, the state and the tribe are working to build the modern digital services that everyone should have access to.
Access to economic opportunities, the healthcare opportunities, educational opportunities, all those things that come along with a healthy broadband connection is very important to our community.
That there is a big digital divide, especially for rural America. And even more so, for those of us that are members of and live in Indian nations such as the Hoopa Valley. And so being able to be connected and, have high-speed internet is a game changer. I mean, not just economically, but for educational purposes, social purposes. Instead of being behind the times and not up to date with everything, we're actually keeping up, if not leading the way.
Tribal leadership is paving the way for this new connectivity, not just through construction, but also through education and training.
So the tribal broadband boot camps have been absolutely critical to Hoopa's journey. We were one of the first tribes that actually attended those and have actually had staff attend most of them. I do believe they're on their 15th or 16th round, and next year we're going to be hosting another boot camp in Hoopa.
It kind of demystified broadband to us, let us know what aspects of it we need to concentrate on. It developed friendships, and we were able to learn a little bit more about what the state was trying to do with the Middle-Mile Broadband through that program, and I think that ultimately got us connected with the right people to even have the opportunity to bid on a project going through our reservation.
The partnership with the state of California gave the tribe a pathway to educate community members about this new reliable access to the internet and how it can open up more opportunities.
Because everything has shifted over to e-commerce in a sense where you have people that have to do their telehealth. It's shifted to that. So we have to educate people on that and show them how to do that, give them the tools. E-commerce, shopping, buying everything online.
Bringing the basics of the digital age to those who need it most. That's the goal of California's Middle-Mile Broadband Initiative. And partnerships like this help California close the digital divide and bring us one step closer to digital equity.
I appreciate the state's willingness and bravery to put tribal sovereignty and put the tribe at the forefront for decision making, allowing us to be, a sound partner, to have a seat at the table, be part of the state's build out, and be a part of long-term connectivity moving forward. And we're really proud of that. We're honored by it, and we respect the opportunity that we've been given.